Welcome to the Ellen Jr. Show. Today we are interviewing Mystery Man. What is your favorite color?
Yeah.
What is your favorite state of Colorado?
Yeah.
What is your favorite city to travel to?
Yeah.
Why would you travel there? Why would you choose pink for your favorite color?
Yeah.
Why would you choose blue?
Yeah.
Would you choose purple or not? Do you like Justin Bieber?
No.
Would you rather eat 2 poisonous snakes or be locked in a cage with a wild gorilla? Would you rather be awesomest person in the world or be me?
Yes.
Okay, that's all for today. See you next time on the Ellen Show. Bye.